How to get a guy to like you. Erin here, your personal love expert from VixenDaily, where we make men make sense. Okay, how do you get a guy to like you? I'm gonna give you the way. So do not worry, we're gonna jump right into the signs and you will know exactly how to make a guy like you. That guy you've been eyeing, the one that you have a thing for, and having a crush is exciting. So I am gonna give you the most important things, okay? I am very excited about this because you're gonna be excited. So, first thing to do is take care of your appearance. Now, I'm not saying you have to go morph into some Barbie doll or some vision of what you think is attractive. No. In fact, many men like things that you would be surprised about. So there are different strokes for different folks. All you need to do is be your best you. What is attractive is, yes, the visual element of being your best self, but honestly, what's more important is that you're taking care of your appearance and that you're actually putting effort into it. The effort and the care that you put in is what turns men into, wild animals in terms of attraction and liking. He's gonna like that you put effort. It's an attractive trait. Next, find out what his passion is. This is kind of a random thing, but it's not. Men are gonna be extremely fond of girls and women, and whoever it is that finds his passion is gonna hold an important part of his life. So you can become his friend as well as his girlfriend. That's what I'm trying to say here. It doesn't matter what you are, what label you are in his life. If you can find out his passion and his motivation, he's definitely going to be really into you. So next, look at what drives and motivates him to do this. That's very important. That goes along with the passion thing, but it's kind of different. It's finding out his life force, what makes him feel like his most I'm a man self. So when a man feels like he's his whole self as a man, you're going to be looking at what drives him. So when does he get fired up? What makes him passionate, etc., etc. Encourage that in him and understand it, and he'll feel you understand him. That's going to make him like you. Next, flirt with him. What does flirting mean? It means that you put a little feeler out and you see how he responds, and then you respond accordingly. Next, touch him lightly. So all this means is that you're connecting with him. So you start with light touches and then you escalate further. So you start lightly and then you escalate. So whether it's like a, just like a touch, and then see how he reacts, and then see how he reacts when you do it more, and so on and so forth. Next, get to know people he knows. Okay, this is a kind of sneaky one, but it works. So not saying go flirting with his friends, because that would be a big no-no. What I am saying is just get in his inner circle and you're going to be part of his life, and the opportunity you guys to hit it off will be there. Next, do not be too available. So keep your own life occupied with things that you enjoy doing. So for example, keep your hobbies up. Don't just abandon your life because you like him and want him to like you. So never drop things you're doing to be around him. If he wants to make plans, do not ever jump. Next, dress well and kind of sexy. So you can show one area of skin, for example, like the collarbones or like your upper stomach or something. Don't get too crazy with it. Just show one area. Keep it simple. Next, have fun and be happy. So light, fun, happy energy is going to make a man feel attracted to you. How you feel on the inside matters a lot. Good moods, okay, attract people, everybody, human beings. A bad mood pushes them away. Remember that. So in your own life, be good at living happy. Learn to be in a good mood as your everyday normal. Next, tell him something personal about you. So start to share some secrets. It'll bring you closer together, and mutual sharing is the key to building a connection. And next, be present. Present means listening when he talks. So being able to carry on a conversation, not thinking about what he's going to say, what he's going to do, what the thing he said means, etc., etc. Oh my goodness, you will put yourself in the upper echelon of women that are not concerned about that, because most women are sitting there saying, oh my God, what does that mean? What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh my goodness. No, drop that mentality and be in the moment, and you will find that he is pulled toward you like a magnetic force. So finally, I want to say, if he does not like you after all of this stuff, do not fixate. Do not take it personally. There are many people out there who like you for who and how you naturally are, and that is the heart of a good relationship. Anyway, so I hope that this information has helped you. If it has, give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more love videos about all of these topics, and ask me any questions in the comment section. I will be sure to respond the second that I can. And for more, check out VixenDaily.com, and the full link to this entire article that will go more in depth is in the description. So be sure to check that out. And until next time.